Okay, I sorry, but you have something to say, Jewel? We're down to our last two questions and the last two will come from babasahin ni Justin. But out of respect sa mga nagpadala ng mga questions, i-acknowledge ko lang sila na hindi na natin ma-entertain kasi halos nasasagot na rin naman along the way. Like for example, itong question from M. Rian Kalubiran ng Cinehub. Si Josiah was able to nakapagtanong naman. Nakapagtanong din si John Milo Severo na hindi natin ma-entertain kasi we're limited tayo sa ating live streaming. Si Jimpy at si Chad Rosete ng Manila Feed. Medyo nasagot naman pero ito yung gusto ko talagang bago ko ibigay yung microphone kay Justin. Kay Joshua and Julia. If you have a message to each other, ano ang thank you and sorry nyo sa isa't isa? Ang ganda, di ba? Thank you, Chad, ha? Matalino yan si Chad, eh. Nag-iisip. Charot. Thank you and sorry nyo sa isa't isa.
Oo nga eh. Parang nagawa na namin to dati.
Thank you and sorry.
Oh, very nice.
Actually, stay.
Sinasabi ko talaga, joke lang. Ikaw, Ju.
Pinasa sa akin. Ako, thank you na ako yung nauna. Joke lang. Kinanta na lang. Bakit kayo ganito? Tapos na namin ginawa to dati eh. Joke lang, hindi. Ganito na lang. Dito
Ako
tayo
na
sa
lang muna.
present. Oh, go.
Thank you, Julia, for being open
Okay.
dun sa buong journey natin sa pelikula. Sobrang thank you. So, thank you kasi alam kong hindi ako mag-isa dun sa pelikula. Kasi pag may mga araw na down ako, hina-assure mo ako. I mean, nandiyan ka para alalayan ako. Thank you. Generous ka sa acting na binibigay mo. Like, hindi ka madamot. And wala akong dapat ika-sorry. Yun lang.
Kasi, joke lang. That's a joke, guys. Relax. There's no show for today. Ako, genuinely, Josh, thank you. Because naramdaman ko sa buong time na sinushoot natin tong pelikula na to, inalalayan mo talaga ako. Kilala mo ako, alam mo kapag medyo kinakabahan ako sa eksena, pag medyo parang yung energy ko nagbabago. Thank you because ganun din. You're always asking kung okay ako and you're always finding ways to make sure na everything and everyone on the set, okay kaming lahat. Hindi lang ako, everyone iniisip mo sa set. And thank you because ikaw din naging open ka to this idea of working together again. We're crazy for doing this, but thank you for being open and being so generous and honest in all of our scenes. And yung sorry, mapapanood nyo naman sa movie kung ba't siya nag-sorry. Oo, okay na yun kasi nagawa na namin yung dati.
Totoo, yeah. But let's take this opportunity na rin to thank the cast then.
Sobra,
I want to say
grabe.
thank you kay Bong, Kyla, Ate
Special
May, and of
mention.
course, Aljo and Bianca. And kay Tito Noni, kay Ketchup, maraming salamat sa pagtanggap ng project. Ang laki ng tulong nyo sa amin. Ang laki ng suporta na binigay nyo sa amin. Talaga. Kasi hindi madali yung pelikula for us. Di ba? Parang hirap din. Pero nandiyan kayo na nakaalalay sa amin. Kumbaga, kahit kami yung nasa harapan, andun lang kayo lahat sa likod namin.
Ibig
Kaya
sabihin,
maraming salamat sa
So,
inyo.
kasi nagbibigay
And
din
of
kayo.
course,
Kay
Direk,
and our writers.
oh my God, maraming salamat sa iyo, Direk, sa lahat, sa pag-alalay mo sa amin,
Sa pag-push sa amin.
sa
As in,
pag-push.
hindi ka talaga nag-give up
Yes.
sa amin. And obviously, our writers,
Kukay.
grabe.
At Ital, masaya na ba kayo? Joke lang. Thank you rin sa inyo. Thank you rin sa inyo. Kila Simon, maraming salamat.
Okay, hindi ko na ma-entertain yung ibang question, but thank you sa pag-send ng questions. Si Goldwyn Reviews, si Daniel ng Capex Official. Daniel, thank you. Mikey Vinyas ng Kapamilya Vines. Tama, Vines ba? Vinyas. Ayun, basta yon. Tin Bahilo ng pep.ph. At si Albert Bryan ng Chicanes App. Sayang, hindi nakapagtanong si Albert. Tapos, siyempre, thank you din kay Jay ng Certified Kapamilya. Thank you for sending the questions. Okay, are you ready for the last? You're good na? Okay, so at this point, we'd like to hear from the cast and the creators. This is the moment where you thank them. Hoy, please stay ha, may raffle tayo. Uso pa palang raffle sa press ko. Charot. Okay, our two writers, Miss Kukay and Miss Tal, please thank them and invite. This is the part where we officially invite them to pasukin ang sinihan sa August 14.
So maraming salamat po for tonight and for letting us share, di ba, yung kwento and our stories while making this film. It's a very beautiful film na labored with love talaga and hard work, especially led by Direk Petersen Vargas, di ba? Sa lahat ng bumubuo talaga, ang sobra binigay ng lahat ng gumawa nito, yung best nila for this film. So we really hope that you watch the film and Happy for You on August 14, 2024. So kita-kits sa cinemas.
Okay, Miss Kukay.
Sige po, I just want to thank everyone for being here and for supporting the film. I also want to thank Viva for
Of course.
joining us in this project. Ayun po, I hope when you watch the movie, please spread the word. Yes, we know that Joshua and Julia is starring in this movie, but there's a whole lot more about Juancho and Zai's story and everyone na nakapaligid po sa kanila. Again, this is directed by Petersen Vargas. So please, supportahan niyo po August 14, 2024.
Of course.
Thank you.
Actually, trivia, this is the first official Star Cinema movie na airing this
For
year.
this year, yes.
Tapos tuloy-tuloy
Star
na tayo,
Cinema
monthly
and
may release
Viva.
na tayo, di ba?
Yes.
Thank you for the partnership. Viva Films, thank you. Which is, as we all know, ang nag-manage kay Julia, ang kanyang movie and TV career, Viva Films. VAA. Okay, Bianca.
I think nasabi na rin naman po nila lahat. But then I'd like to thank all of you for your presence and for your time. And ayun, I'm happy for you, August 14 na po.
Thank you, B. Aljon.
Yes, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We are just so excited na mapanood nyo tong Unhappy for You. I'm a fan of this movie kasi abang sinushoot namin siya, namamangha lang ako. So, ayan, thank you din sa lahat ng cast, sa lahat ng tao behind the camera. Thank you so much. Thank you sa opportunity na to. Thank you, Direk. Thank you, Joshua. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Miss Tal, alam mo bang may writing talent si Aljon? Back in school, bago siya nag-showbiz, he used to join journalism competition. And nananalo siya, nagna-national level yan.
Mas pa-revise namin ng
Oo, pa-revise.
Pasulatin natin to.
That's how talented he is. Tawa na naman tong si Joshua. Ayan. At syempre, the queen, the PETA queen. Ako, PETA queen! Wag naman baka. Pero syempre, we're happy seeing you today, Miss Mean Espinosa.
Thank you also. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. Excited din po kaming mapanood nyo siya dahil kompleto Ricados po talaga ang pelikulang ito. May tamis, may pait, may asim, may alat, may anghang. So, and it's beautifully shot. So, sana po mapanood nyo. August 14 na po, Unhappy for You.
Alright, thank you, Miss Mean. Bong!
Yes, I would like to take this
Wow.
opportunity. Wow, English. Hindi, syempre magpapasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta dito sa birthday ko. Charis lang. Hindi, Thank you po.
Kasi
Kay
ang tablecloth,
Yun nila.
nilalagay sa table, yan hindi
Sinira ko pa yung cortina sa
sinusuot.
bahay para lang may masuot ako doon.
Joke.
Hindi, magpapasalamat po ako kay Direct P tsaka kay Sir Miko na
Your
nagtiwala
manager,
sa
oo.
akin. And Tita Lulu, thank you po na you gave me this opportunity to be part of this movie. And magpapasalamat din po ako sa Doctor's Drip and my dentist para maging pantay po ang
Ay, kay Doc Arnold ka
ko
pala.
kay Ate Julia para magmukha akong
Pumantay man
kapatid.
nila na,
Yes,
kapatembang
thank you po sa
kayo.
inyo. And sabay-sabay po tayo malungkot, tumawa, mag-relapse sa August 14 ng
Relapse.
Unhappy for You in cinemas, August 14. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bong. And of course, Kyla.
Ang hirap mo sundan.
I know. Tinaas niyo na yung bar ng
Hirap.
ng level ng...
But of course, Derek Peterson, thank you so much. Sir Miko and
Correct.
everybody
Hi, Miko.
at Star
How are you?
Cinema for making me a part of this beautiful movie. And everybody already said it, pero sana po mapanood ninyo sa cinemas Unhappy for You on August 14. So thank you so much, of course, to the press for being here. And sana makita na namin kayo ulit. Sana sa premiere night na. Oo, makita na namin kayo doon.
Do we
but
have
yeah,
one?
Thank you everybody
May
so
premiere
much
night tayo?
for being here and for supporting Unhappy for You. And we'll see you guys soon.
Can we
Ayan.
officially announce that we have a world world premiere on August 30, August 13?
In-assume ko lang po yung premiere.
Ayan, pero
sorry.
meron pala.
Wala, hindi rin po ako sure talaga.
SM
pero
Mega Mall.
in-assume ko na lang po. So, meron naman po. Okay. Thank you very much, guys.
Ang galing mo hindi ka lang pala mahusay, manghuhula ka din. At syempre, nabibilang mo ba ang salapi mo, Derek? Peterson Vargas.
Ayun. I always take time to thank ABS-CBN Films, to my mentors there, from sila Inang to sila Sir Chris, and of course to my manager, si Sir Miko. So
Rise ka pala.
pushing and supporting me. Kahit takot ako palagi, they will say, I can do it. And paniniwalaan ko na lang sila. So this is my third film, but I just want to stress how much I love this story. I always tell my writers who beautifully crafted this beautiful story na this film felt very personal to me. And I feel like if people watch it in the theaters, it will feel personal to them. And I love this cast. Carefully, beautifully handpicked. We love the energy. And of course, it is my honor and privilege to have worked with you guys. I watched your first film and up to halos lahat ng projects nyo. I was a supporter first because I saw the magic in the Josh Leah tandem. And what a way to finally be your director. So thank you for the
Thank you,
experience. It was very beautiful. And I feel like the audience will see how beautiful our journey was. So thank you.
Thank you, Derek.
Thank you. And of course,
Oh, si ako
Okay,
na
ako
muna.
na muna,
Siya
ako na
yung last. Siya
muna.
yung last. Anyway, guys,
Ako na
thank
mo-
you. Ikaw na last. Guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Parang kinalmahan nyo naman yung pero nainitan kami ng konti sa totoo lang. But thank you for joining us. Sana, tama si Kai, sana magkita-kita tayo sa August 13. But before that, please help us spread the word. Tell your family, your friends about the film. Help us spread the word about our trailer that's gonna be released tonight, if not already released. Na-release na. Sige, mag-thank yous na rin ako. Ate Mean, oh my goodness, thank you so much, Bong, Kai, Aljon, Biangs, Tal, Cooks, Direk, sobrang thank you. Grabe, hindi ka talaga nag-give up sa amin. You really pushed us. You really brought the best out sa amin. You really brought the best out of the two of us. And talagang challenge and stretch mo kami to make sure that we offer something different in this movie. Hindi pa namin nasasabi to kasi hindi pa natin last day. Pero, Direk, thank you talaga sobra sa patience and sa inyo. Kasi nga, as Josh said, sobrang ko sa script kasi gusto ko talagang maalagaan yung story naming lahat. Hindi mabubuo yung pelikula kung wala yung buong cast namin. So everybody here today, plus Kuya Ketchup and Tito Noni, sila Miss Anna, who plays my mom here, sila talaga. Oh my God, si Tatay Sweet, sila talaga yung kumumpleto ng pelikula na to. Hindi namin magagawa to nang wala kayong lahat. So thank you so much. Josh, oh my gosh, super thank you. Grabe, ang overwhelming ng experience na ng pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. But I'm so happy to be sharing this with you. Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Aww.
Ayun, thank you po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat ulit sa pagbibigay ng oras at sana tulungan nyo kami na ipakalat ang balita na showing na ang Unhappy for You ngayong August 14. And papasalamat din kami sa mga supporters namin. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. And of course, thank you. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you very much. All right.
Okay, thank you rin sa mga anditong part ng team na to, Star Magic, mga handlers and managers. Rise Artist Studio, the management of Kyla, which is Star Magic din, at saka Mercator, and ayan. And everyone, nandito, talagang everyone stayed. Okay, we'd like to request everyone to please stand up for the group photo. But sige na, while you are standing up, I'd like to thank our sponsors for today, GAOC. That's GAOC. Dr. Alvin Rejuvenating Set Advance, Ligo, Minola Premium Coconut Oil, healthy to ha, ang sobrang healthy nito. Rebisco, Tanduay, Sprite, Copico, Efficacent Oil, and Miracle White. Thank you for the loot bag. We prepared special loot bags for everyone. Okay, ayan, group photo na. Star Magic, ayan, everyone. Ay, wow, everyone stayed. Nakakatuwa. Okay. Sige. Okay, ayan, stay lang muna ang cast. Thank you, ayan, Don, thank you, Jimpy, I said, thank you na ako dito, Danny, everyone. Okay. O, gilid muna ang support, ang other cast members, stay po. Ito, tama to? Okay, thank you, Direk. Ito together now, Josh Lee. And from the team of Star Cinema ABS-CBN Films, Viva Films, this is Eric Jan Salute, saying thank you to everyone who made this MediaCon live stream possible. The technical team, the boys, audio, video, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the evening. And we present to you Josh Lee officially back. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Again, thank you. I will announce after the live streaming the winners of 35,000 cash GOOC gift certificate po. 35,000 pwede kayo magpa-brace. Magpa-brace agad, 35,000.